Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Android camera is not working or if it's showing black screen, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first thing first, what you have to do is long tap onto your camera and select this eye icon. At times when your camera is full of cached images and file, it will show you some errors. So let's go ahead and clear it out. Select storage, clear the cache. Come back here and select permissions. Let's go ahead and disable each permission one by one. Select don't allow for camera, microphone, nearby devices and everything. And after it's done, again access camera and select allow every time. It's like resetting your permissions. And once you do that, select force stop and then OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, open your camera, and this will work. And at times, if your storage is full, it will also cause the camera to, appear in black screen. So make sure that you have enough space to capture another moment from your camera. Reinstall again from your Play Store. Try the same process and it will work.